Ultima presents the easiest and fastest way to generate new tokens on the market. Farming. Ultima farming takes place with special software, a farm, and has many advantages. First, the operation of the farm and the mining of tokens are as transparent as possible. You always know how many tokens you will receive each month during the entire period of mining tokens on the farm, and you can easily control how much you make. You can quickly increase token mining amounts anytime by upgrading your farming license and expanding the farm size and capacity. And it's all up to you. Second, it's fast. A special software program can be installed on your device, or you can start farming directly from your account in the dashboard. It is enough to register, buy a license, and freeze Ultima tokens for 3 years to get started. After that, farming will begin automatically and the first transaction will show up on your balance in 30 days. Third, farming works autonomously. You just need to buy a license and then the blockchain will do everything for you. It will create new tokens within 2 years. Fourth, farming is easy to manage. The unique calculator lets you see how many tokens can be uploaded to the farm and mined during farming. You can use your mined tokens immediately in all Ultima ecosystem products, selling on the exchange, replenishing your crypto debit card, upgrading farming licenses, and paying for goods and services. You can start farming the Ultima token by purchasing a license and freezing the tokens in the farming unit on ultimafarm.com. Of course, the sooner you begin farming, the higher your profit will be. The extraction speed is very high, but every week it decreases, so start mining as soon as possible. Take advantage of the latest farming technology.